Namaste and welcome to lecture 6 of percentage. Today we will do some more sums on increase and decrease of percentages. Let us take example 1, that is 300 students took an exam and 28 percentage failed. Okay, then calculate the number of students who passed the exam. Now we will break the problem first. What information is given to us? 300 students took an example. Then out of that 28 percentage failed, and what is asked to us? We have to find the number of students who passed the exam. Okay, so here we will start that total number of students. It is given to us. Total number of students is equal to 300. Correct? Now next information is how many students failed. Then we will write number of students who failed is equal to 28 percentage. This 28 percentage is out of 300. Correct? So first we will calculate what is the meaning of here. Of means multiplication. So let us write 28 upon 100 multiply by 300. Correct? So 0 0 gone, 0 0 gone, and we will get 84. So number of students who failed were 84. So we have to calculate the number of students who passed the exam, because the percentage of failure was given to us, and the total number of students we got, number of students who failed also got. Correct? So now we can find number of students who passed. So we can find out by subtracting 84 from the total number of students. Therefore, number of students who passed are equal to 300 minus 84, which is equal to 216. Okay. So for all the problem sums, we should read the problem first, break the problem in the information given, and then please do it. Next example. A teacher earns rupees 20,000 a month. If he earns a raise of 15 percentage, find his new monthly income. Okay. Now see, the teacher earns 20,000 a month. This is the first part. He earns a raise of 15 percentage. So the raise is 15 percentage. We have to find the monthly income. Now, first of all, this is the raise in percentage, means increase in percentage. So we will write percentage increase is equal to increase in value upon the original percentage. Yes. So see, original income is rupees 20,000. Okay. Now amount of raise is, we know that it is increase in value is 15 percentage. So we will say 15 percentage of 20,000, which is equal to 15 upon 100 multiplied by 20,000. This will become rupees 3,000. Correct? So what will be her new income? New monthly income is equal to rupees 3000 plus 20,000, which is equal to rupees 23,000. Correct? So this way we have to do the sums. Okay. Now next sum we will take is, let me take next example, that is, if the price of sugar rises by 25%, okay, then by how much percent should a family reduce their consumption of sugar so that the expenditure on sugar may remain the same. See, if this kind of sums come, we should understand the sum first. Here it is given that price of sugar is rising by 25%. We don't know that what is the price of the sugar, but it is increased by 25%. Now here they are asking that how much a family should reduce their consumption of sugar, so that if they were spending 100 rupees per month, then the expenditure should remain the same. So three parts we are dividing the problem over here. Now first I would like to suppose here that suppose 100 units of sugar costs rupees 100. Okay, so a sugar of 100 units costs rupees 100. Now increase in price is what? 25%. That is what? 20 rupees 25 on every rupees 100. Yes, rupees 25 on every 100 rupees. Now cost of 100 units will be equal to how much? This plus this, because it is increasing, so we will add 100 with rupees 25. Yes, on every 100 unit 25 rupees is increasing, 100 rupees 25 rupees increase, so 100 units will cost how much? 125 rupees. Okay, now 1 rupees 125, the quantity of sugar purchased will be of 100 units. Now we know that cost of 100 units is nothing but equal to rupees 125. Okay, but we also know that every month the family spends rupees 100 on the sugar only. Okay, so quantity of sugar for rupees 100 will be how much? So we have to find here the quantity of sugar for rupees 100, which is equal to 100 upon 125 into 100. This is nothing but the increase in price upon the original quantity, multiply by 100, so we get 80 units. See, now exact quantity we are getting, that for 100 rupees we get 80 units. Okay, so consumption should be reduced by 100 minus 80. So the consumption should be reduced by 100 minus 80%, that is equal to 20%. 20% consumption should be reduced. Now let us understand this more precisely. Here it is given that 100 units of sugar cost rupees 100. But cost of 100 units we found after increasing is 125. So again, now because of 100 units, it is 125. So every month this family is spending only 100 rupees. Okay, so in 100 rupees, how much quantity of sugar will come? Then we will get 80 after increasing the price, 80 units. So they should decrease by 20 percentage. Okay, so this way you need to do the sums. Now let us do one more sum, that is on a rainy day only 36 students out of 48 came to the class. Okay, so what percent were absent? Again, I would like to break the problem that 36 students out of 48 came to the class. So what percent were absent? So this is the first part and this is the second part. Now here we will, this is very easy. Total number of students is 48. Okay. Now number of absent students. How will we find? By subtracting the present students from the total number. So 48 minus 36, which is nothing but equal to 12. Now we have to only find the percentage. So percentage of the absent students, that is the decrease in the number, right? Because it is absent, it is not increasing. So we will take 12 upon 48, that is change upon 48, multiply by 100%. This after solving you will get 25 percentage. So how much percentage of students were absent? 25 percentage. Okay, so this kind of sums can come. Please do them. We will do more sums in the next lecture. I end my lecture over here and thank you very much.